Okay, this is a detailed video showing you reassembling the multi-lift and Easy-Base combination when you're getting a person into or out of a vehicle. In this case, it will be out of a vehicle. Okay, so I put that leg right on there. I put this in position and the pin right there. There we have the removable leg. We're putting that right back in. Your training department is going to show you what settings you can use. Do not use any different settings other than what the training department has shown you, because that is a safety issue. Line these pins right up here. Slide the leg in. All right. Slide that right in there. Slide your safety handle in at a setting that's appropriate for your height. Next step, put the multi-lift on the Easy-Base and the special swing arm. Okay, now you're ready to transfer the person out of the vehicle, or once you've done the setup, to put the person in the vehicle. Thanks for watching this detailed video, and contact us at accessunlimited.com or give us a call at 1-607-669-4822. Thank you.